And let's talk about a merger. I was watching Sanford and Son, and Fuentes actually, um, and Fred and Lamont went into business together. Julio Fuentes, and so they did a merger. So that's a relationship. And in the hiccup conversation, I tell you what happened, how it went down. For those of you that did see it, pretty much know what it is. But for those of you that didn't, there's some education points in the fact that whenever you try and create a merger, you have a problem. There's a problem. So Fred, who already have beef with Julio, they ended up bumping heads quite a bit, caused Lamont to bump heads, even though he was the middle link between the whole process, between Julio, his father, Fred, and all that stuff. So needless to say, they made an attempt to do a commercial, and it didn't work. They made an attempt to bring a business together, and it didn't work. So the merger folded. So I'm saying, with us as people, if we're going to have any kind of relationship that's going to work, we are going to have to be successful with a merger. We're going to have to be able to come together on points and execute those points to perfection. There's no room for the weary in an attempt to create a strong, successful, and foolproof merger. So if you guys are ready to start the Big M, and this time I'm not talking about Motell or Maurice, but needless to say, the merger, think about that concept. And don't have a hiccup in your process like Lamont, Fred, and Julio had on Sanford and Son. Have your merger, sit down and map out who's going to do what, and come together. And what would be nice, extra bonus, if one or both people at some point surprise the other person with something amazing. So this particular episode is about a merger. And I want you guys to have one. Find somebody you can coincide with. Y'all can work together, build yourself a ship, and ride out together. I love y'all. Much respect.